Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video, and this is another I think this is a I think this is parodies, or is it legend panels? Hold on, let's see. I keep forgetting. Yes, it's parodies. It's parodies comedy skit video, and this is part 1 to Ratchet White Girls. I'm curious, I can't wait to see what they can be giving us. Magic. Oh. Oh, the violence.
Bitch, who the fuck you done invited over to my house? What? Don't act like you ain't fucking hear me, bitch. You think this is your house? No, bitch. This is my shit. I moved you in the garage. In the basement, okay? This is my shit. I'm on top. Fuck you think you are, bitch? Stop it, bitch. I have money. I contribute. The fuck is wrong with you? Kesha, baby darling, let me explain something. This is what the fuck we gonna talk about, okay? Rule number 1 when you talking to me, bitch, shut the fuck up. Yo, at the same time, you asked me to room with you, so like, what am I doing here, bitch? That's because I thought you was a real ass bitch. But what you ugly motherfuckers need to understand is that Miley Cyrus is on top. I want to be like Lil Wayne and them, start an empire with this shit. Because I'm getting cash money, bitch.
Yes.
If you want me, you better stay in your lane, ho. Cause shit, I can sell, what, 30, 40,000 singles like it ain't nothing. Not even 50,000? Wow. You see what the fuck I mean? That's that bullshit right fucking there. Why the fuck is this bitch in my damn house? I invited her. Why are you so fucking rude to people? It's fucking Perry. I mean, she just wants to get fucked up. See, you pissing me off right now, bitch. I told you, I run with real bitches. I don't like fake bitches. You see the difference? This is a fake bitch, Katy fucking Perry. Let's see what the hell she got. Your face is fucked. Your haircut is fucked. Your pussy is surely fucked. I have way more fans. I mean, I don't... Really, bitch? For real? Hannah Montana? Disney? More fans? Bitch, are you dumb?
Well,
So
Katy Perry have hits after hits.
Ever. Bitch, I will not invite you nowhere near my damn group, okay? That's just number 1. You just talk too fucking much for me. But I run with ratchet hoes, and I guarantee you my next album finna blow all you bitches out the fucking water. That's for sure. Oh my god, bitch, are you kidding? When you going at 5 number 1s on one album, then we can talk briefly. But bitch, I don't want to hear that shit you're speaking about. What the fuck is that J's on my feet bullshit? Oh my gosh, ghetto fucking trash. Now that's funny. A supergroup? Pick me. Fuck out of here. You bitches are weak. Kesha, I know damn well you did not invite Patty fucking Mayonnaise.
Oh, this was earlier age. Early interviews Taylor Swift.
Seriously, you need to chill out with that shit. So, when you say weak bitches, do you mean weak from holding down the Billboard charts at number 1 for so long? I mean, that more than you. I'm the only bitch that sold 1 million plus in 1 week. Opening week, that is. Twice. There goes your careers right there. I mean, come on, you would never do that. Seriously, think about it. Yeah, but you'll never hear your music at the club. Have you ever seen a Grammy? Do you do music? Wait, you're like an animal or something, right?
I can't.
Kesha. Act like you know, bitch. Trash meets class, and I represent that shit all day. Fuck you wanna do, bitch. Kesha, you don't even gotta respond to this skinny bitch. I mean, shit, Taylor Swift, the only thing that make me think of is when Kanye West swiftly took that mic out your fucking hand. I told him to do that shit. You know there's a new law, right? You can't give someone herpes on stage. Robin Thicke complained after the VMAs. Bitch,
Okay.
you be on the run from fucking Leatherface or Michael
This is okay. It's not funny as other.
Popsicle stick in a fucking blonde wig just to run it. I mean, I feel like I'm walking on
Pink.
Mean Girls 8 or some shit. I mean, what the fuck going on in here? Pink, what up, girl? Get your ass in here, girl. These motherfuckers in here pissing me the fuck off. Shit. Finally, a real bitch showed up. I mean, damn, I feel like I'm watching some virgin cats fight over some fucking dick catnip or some shit. Okay, Grandma. Let's get your old ass to the back of the line. I mean, can someone will her? Oh, hell no, bitch. Fuck that. Nah, bitch. You don't fucking know me, ho. Shit. Where I'm from, motherfuckers like you get beat up on the regular. You know what I'm saying, bitch? I'm Pink. I bring it to you, ho. Fuck. Maybe when you perform, you should try something other than twirling out of the sky and those fucking ribbons all the damn time. I mean, you look like a fucking granny gymnast. You do. Kesha, I can leave if you don't have any weed. I just wanna sleep. I just wanna
Avril.
my fucking head off. But you bitches just keep yelling and you keep fucking fighting. Holy shit, did I invite her? Yeah, bitch, you fucking did. Right after you saved me from walking in traffic. Sorry, I'm just not about this life, so I gots to go. Well, it's about time, shit. You're lucky I don't get my gun and shoot your big bitch ass. The guns in here? Where are the guns? Where are they? Bitch, I just want to squeeze your little pimple-looking ass head. This is starting to become a shit show, okay? So you crappy bitches can keep fighting at the bottom of the barrel where you belong. But, Kesha, I'm still gonna need that pack of coke, okay? Bitch, I didn't forget. Kesha, you serving these bitches up out my shit? That's what the fuck going on in here, bitch? Don't you owe me a couple grams? The fuck you think this is, weeds? It's my new hustle. Sorry, but at the same time, I suppose...
I don't know. I don't think this video is that funny.
My motherfucking package, shit. You got pills? Bitch, of course I do, slut. Fucking Kesha.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. So that was Parodies, the Wretched White Girls parody episode number 1. I don't think it was funny at all. It was some of the it's like the other ones videos that I react to so far from this channel. This first episode, this Wretched White Girls, wasn't funny. It wasn't funny to me. It was but for the person who recommended me to react to it, I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you think it's funny or should react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Just unfortunately, this video for me wasn't it, so I just stopped it because it was just getting so cringy and boring to watch. But as always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.